The MOROVOL ATX PC case R7 comes pre-installed with 4 RGB fans providing vibrant lighting and improved airflow for your gaming setup. Featuring a tempered glass side panel, this mid-tower case allows you to showcase your computer's internal components with style. The front panel's honeycomb mesh design ensures optimal air intake, contributing to better cooling and overall performance. With one USB 3.0 port and 2 USB 2.0 ports, this case offers versatile connectivity options for various peripherals. Its compact mid-tower design is compatible with most PC hardware, making it a practical choice for gamers and computer enthusiasts. The MOROVOL R7 is a cost-effective solution that combines aesthetic appeal with functional design, perfect for building a high-performance system.